The baby inside the cartoon. Look at the baby. What do you want, baby girl? Baby girl? What do you want? Do you want to go out? Oh, I'm sorry. You see, it's cold outside. It's so cold outside, baby girl. Wala ako kabalo. Connected man na lagi. Baby girl? I'm so sorry. Ay, si Bidhi, bataan. Hindi natin na-order. Kabalo ba kasi yung birthday? Kabalo ka na yung account na niya. Let me see the baby girl inside the cartoon. You must stay inside. What a brilliant baby girl. What a brilliant baby girl. She freed herself by her own magnificent power. Oh, see? The floor is cold. That's what I told you. You're not allowed to go outside. Fine. Bata ka eh.